It's so cold, freezing, and yet it's sunny. Only in Calgary, the sun. Look at the weather. See this. So I just got my order from Temu. I hope they are not what I ordered, but it's also what I got. I hope they are of good quality. So exactly what I wanted. I hope so. So let's open the order together. I got some nice stuff. Yeah. Open. Temu, be nice. My flowers are sitting pretty. Wish me luck. I hope they grow well. So this. Hi everyone, let me welcome you specially to my channel and to another special vlog. Real life update. They said this spring, but weather is saying otherwise. It's still giving winter vibes, snowing back to back and back to back. I don't know when spring will begin proper, but I said let me show you what we are facing. Snow everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna start today's vlog by showing you the things I ordered from Temu. Let's go. Open. Temu, be nice. So the first thing is I got a tripod. Yeah, the tripod I'm using, one of the leg is broken, so I needed to get a flexible and good tripod. Let's open the carton together. Hopefully it's what I want. See it? This is what the picture looks like. And from some of the live videos I saw, from the review, looks like it's good. So I hope I can also say that for myself. Yeah. Wow, nice packaging. See? Let's see. Wow, looks like it. I'm going to show you. I attach the picture when I couple it together, but it looks so durable. Nice. And I'll attach the final picture and then the price and the fact that it can, it's flexible, and the fact that it's rotatable, like I can use it for my vlogs, cooking videos, and the rest is what attracted me to it. Hopefully it stands out. So I'm going to be attaching the final video, final look if need be, and then the price. Okay, I'm okay with this. The next one, yeah, these are stickers. Well, stickers are tag picture, but they look like it's okay. You want me to show you? I just watch sticker. Let me get the important things. Not bad for baking. Other wall stickers for baking. Not bad. What else? I got an alarm clock. The review was good. I hope I can also say that. Not bad. Okay. I got this too. I'm going to attach the picture, but it's so small. I thought it was going to be big. And the price it's more like diffuser. You can put your water in it. This is for spraying oil. Put your oil. You know those cooking videos where you spray oil in the pan, all of that, instead of putting it in the cup. I like it, so I got it. Let me see. Plastic, but not bad. What else? Yeah, this is car charger. This is what it looks like. Looking okay. I hope it serves. I hope it serves eventually. This is a car charger. Yeah, I was trying to explain what this was for. This is just like air freshener. Then you just put your perfume oil, essential oils, pardon, on it, and then just to make the house smell nice. So this is what it looks like. So this would will absorb the oil and then retain the smell. So I got this essential oil. This is lavender. I think I got two. Yeah, I got lavender smell, and I got cherry blossom. So I've got these two. What else? Okay, I got some pantyhose. Okay, this pantyhose. Wow, and it's so nice. The quality is good. Check it out. So thick. Pantyhose. It comes in two color, white and black. Nice. Okay, so what else? Yeah, I got this this for the sink, so that when I'm pouring water, in case there's any trash in the water, it can stop it. So I got this. What else did I get? Oh, I didn't realize I got two car phone holders. These are phone holders for the car. So, yeah, I didn't realize I got two. Okay. Any other thing? Yeah, and I got a pouch for my phone. It's looking so light. Of all the things I got, I think this is. I don't like the quality. It's pure plastic. No. This is not what I was expecting. So, it's too light. Can you? I don't think this can protect the phone in any way, but it is what it is. And that's that. Temu. Yeah, it's another weekend though, and I'm cooking. You can see I'm trying to get my tomatoes ready. If you know me, you know that I love batch cooking a lot because it helps me save time, and also at least I'll worry less about what to eat or what to prepare during the week. It's just to bring out the food and warm, and if I have to just cook, it will not be something serious, you know. So that's what I'm doing. I plan to make jollof rice, stew, and some other things. Hello.
Tonight, city lights so bright, alright. Windows down, we feel the breeze. Heartbeats fast, we're free with ease.
I got the soil from Walmart yesterday. I'm thinking of planting indoor flowers. I hope the soil is good. And I also got some pots. I got to actually for a trial. Okay, so join me as we fill the pot with the soil, and I will get some flowers from my neighbor. I actually love our indoor flowers. You need to see them all grown and beautiful. I'm going to be showing you in this video. So something I love, so why not give it a try? And that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so let me show you guys the indoor plant I was talking about. Just look at this. Just look at this. Isn't this beautiful? All are natural flowers. I hope I'll be faithful at watering them. So I'm gonna start with the little one and see if I can be faithful at it.
Hand
To press it down.
press it down. Oh, nice. Maybe put in the middle a little bit.
The plant.
Yeah.
Now
A few moments later.
ready to be transported to my house. Amen. Pray that prayer again. She's
Finish your plan to grow well.
Amen. Amen.
Grow fast.
Amen. Take your burger from my video. Alright, sister. Thank you. And that is it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.